Hey everybody, I am Adina Diaz, your skincare guru, and I am with the fabulous Dr. Bryant. I am so happy to be here because you know what? We have the freaking same ethos.
We do.
Like, we are two little peas in a pod over here. So today is Self-Care Sunday. Today is the Sunday. And what I love to do on Sundays is take care of myself and do something that's a little extra for pampering. And what's better than coming on a Sunday and getting a PRP microneedling facial? So we're going to be doing that today. And a lot of my clients are asking me constantly, like, hey, what are other options and other things that are in line with what you believe in your ethos, your holistic, whole entire ideas of what are good for your skin? And for me, it's going to be obviously facials, eating healthy, doing a good workout routine. But if you want to start doing cosmetic stuff, this is exactly what I love to tell my clients to do because it is still holistic. It's still holistic. So we're going to break it down for you guys, and we're going to go into depth with this procedure is, and I cannot wait to have fun with Dr. Bryant.
It's going to be great.
Yeah. Here we go.
Out of them veins. literally PRP facial. I feel fantastic. Really is not that bad. People say that it's like intense, like the concept of it, so easy breezy. I mean, really, like the numbing cream and everything, it's an easy procedure, and it's with your own PRP. It's literally micro needles that go in and out of the skin, causing micro channels. So it's like tricking your skin to like be injured to heal itself.
Basically, yeah.
And produce more collagen. So
it's really cool.
Holistic treatment.
Yeah, and the PRP actually recruits stem cells onto the skin. It's super interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super awesome. There you go.